Did you know most yard time is wasted fighting weak blowers that barely move stubborn leaves? Today we're breaking down the best electric leaf blowers that actually save hours and effort. You'll discover which models deliver real power and value. Check the links in the description to grab yours and upgrade your cleanup. The number 6 product on our list is KNSKNS leaf blowers. Yard work does not have to feel like a weekend punishment handed down by fallen leaves. The real frustration begins when rakes bend, cords tangle, and bulky gas blowers refuse to start just when you need them most. The KNSKNS leaf blowers bring a different energy to outdoor cleanup with a high-speed motor pushing up to 580,000 RPM and strong airflow that clears patios, decks, driveways, and garage floors in minutes. Instead of dragging extension cords across the yard, this cordless electric leaf blower runs on two 21-volt batteries that deliver up to 50 minutes of runtime, with a clear power display so you always know where you stand. 3 nozzle attachments add versatility, from a focused jet for stubborn debris to a widespread option for open spaces and an extended reach for gutters or tight corners. At only 2.1 pounds, the lightweight design reduces arm fatigue, and the variable trigger lets you control airflow with precision. The pros are impressive motor power, dual batteries for longer sessions, versatile nozzle options, and an easy-to-handle build that suits homeowners of all ages. The cons are noticeable noise at maximum speed and performance that may not match heavy-duty gas models for large commercial properties. Compared with corded electric leaf blowers, this model offers far greater mobility without sacrificing strong airflow. It is ideal for homeowners maintaining patios, small yards, vehicles, or workshops who want efficient results without complicated setup. Clean spaces feel satisfying, and this tool turns a tiring chore into a quick, controlled task. At number 5 is Sihuird leaf blowers. Most people underestimate how draining yard cleanup can feel until they are halfway through and the battery dies or the blower overheats. That frustration builds fast when cords limit movement and weak airflow barely shifts damp leaves. The Sihuird leaf blowers approach outdoor maintenance with serious power and endurance. Built around dual 7,800 mAh batteries that can stretch up to 180 minutes on moderate settings and still deliver around 60 minutes at maximum speed. That kind of runtime changes the experience completely. You move from rushing through the task to handling it at your own pace. The high-efficiency brushless motor paired with advanced axial fan technology pushes airflow up to 765 CFM and wind speeds reaching 290 miles per hour. Strong enough to clear driveways, lawns, and patios with fewer passes. 3 adjustable speed levels let you match power to the job, while turbo mode unlocks an extra burst when stubborn debris refuses to budge. Even better, the sound. Level stays relatively controlled, making it easier to use without feeling disruptive. The ergonomic rubber-wrapped handle improves grip during longer sessions, and the stable base design protects internal components when setting it down. Built-in LED lighting adds convenience for early mornings or evening cleanups. The pros are extended battery life, impressive airflow, versatile speed control, and thoughtful ergonomic features. The cons are slightly heavier weight compared to ultra-compact models and a premium price relative to basic cordless options. Compared with smaller electric leaf blowers that struggle with wet leaves, this model feels more capable and resilient. It suits homeowners with medium to large yards who want consistent cordless performance without constant recharging interruptions. Clean outdoor spaces feel earned, and this tool makes that effort far more efficient. At number 4 is CRAFTSMAN leaf blower. A messy yard has a way of stealing the pride you feel about your home. Leaves pile up, dust gathers along the driveway, and suddenly a simple cleanup turns into an exhausting project. That is where the CRAFTSMAN leaf blower changes the pace. Built with cordless convenience and powered by high-capacity batteries, it removes the constant hassle of dragging extension cords across the lawn. You press the trigger and airflow responds instantly, pushing debris aside with steady force instead of weak bursts. For homeowners searching for electric leaf blowers that balance strength with control, this model delivers impressive air volume and reliable brushless motor performance designed for everyday use. 3 adjustable speed settings let you match the airflow to the task, whether you are clearing light dust from a patio or tackling damp leaves after rain. Turbo mode adds an extra surge of power when stubborn debris refuses to move, while the ergonomic handle keeps your grip stable during longer sessions. The pros are cordless mobility, adjustable speeds, strong airflow, and comfortable handling that reduces fatigue. The cons are battery recharge time and a slightly heavier feel compared to ultra-compact models. Compared with basic corded electric leaf blowers, this tool offers far more freedom and consistent output without sacrificing performance. It suits homeowners with small to medium yards, driveway maintenance needs, or garage cleanup routines who want dependable results without gas fumes or complicated startup routines. When outdoor spaces look clean and organized again, the satisfaction feels immediate and well-earned. The third one on our list is Husqvarna leaf blower. A driveway covered in wet leaves can turn a calm morning into an unexpected workout, and that is usually the moment people realize their old blower simply is not enough. The Husqvarna leaf blower brings a different level of control and power to outdoor cleanup, especially for homeowners who want the convenience of battery-operated performance without sacrificing force. Powered by a 40-volt lithium-ion system that works across Husqvarna handheld tools, this electric leaf blower delivers steady airflow with the added benefit of cruise control, so your hand does not strain during longer sessions. When debris gets stubborn, Power Boost mode increases output by 20%, helping push aside damp leaves and heavier buildup with noticeable authority. The built-in debris scraper adds another practical touch, loosening sticky patches before airflow clears them away. Many buyers struggle with electric leaf blowers that feel underpowered or limited by short run times. Here, the included battery and charger offer dependable runtime and quick turnaround between sessions, making yard maintenance feel more manageable. The pros are strong cordless performance, intuitive controls, cross-tool battery compatibility, and the extra push from Power Boost mode. The cons are a higher price point compared to entry-level models and slightly more weight than compact blowers designed for light dust only. Compared with smaller electric units built for patios, this tool handles larger yards and thicker debris more confidently. It suits homeowners with medium to large properties who want reliable battery power without gas fumes or complicated startup routines. When the yard finally looks clear and orderly again, the sense of accomplishment feels immediate and lasting. On number 2 is WORX leaf blower. Most yard tools promise power, but very few make cleanup feel almost effortless from the first pull of the trigger. The WORX leaf blower shifts that experience with a slim cordless design that weighs just 2.3 pounds, yet delivers serious airflow through its sonic turbine fan. Instead of wrestling with cords or struggling with weak gusts, you get two purposeful modes. Volume mode pushes up to 410 CFM to clear wide driveways and patios quickly, while speed mode reaches 130 miles per hour to move wet leaves and stubborn debris with precision. That flexibility matters because not every job requires the same intensity. Many homeowners hesitate before choosing electric leaf blowers, worrying about limited runtime or lack of force. Here, the brushless motor 2.0 produces noticeably stronger output and improved longevity, while the PowerShare battery system works across more than 140 WORX tools, adding long-term value beyond a single purchase. The two-speed control keeps operations simple, and the lightweight body allows one-handed use without arm fatigue during extended sessions. The pros are impressive airflow for its size, versatile air control nozzle, cross-platform battery compatibility, and compact design that stores easily. The cons are that the battery and charger are sold separately and maximum power may not rival heavy gas models for very large properties. Compared with bulkier cordless blowers, this unit feels more agile and user-friendly for daily residential maintenance. It suits homeowners with small to medium yards, patio spaces, garages, and sidewalks who want dependable cordless performance without unnecessary weight. When outdoor spaces look clear again, the task feels less like work and more like a quick reset. Now moving to the last one is Ego Power plus leaf blower. There is a moment when a yard covered in wet leaves feels overwhelming, and that is usually when ordinary tools fall short. The Ego Power plus leaf blower steps into that moment with force that feels closer to professional grade than typical cordless equipment. With turbo mode delivering up to 615 CFM and air speeds reaching 170 mph, it moves heavy debris, damp grass, and stubborn leaf piles without hesitation. That surge of airflow changes the rhythm of cleanup. Instead of pushing the same pile again and again, you clear it in one confident pass. Many homeowners searching through electric leaf blowers worry about weak runtime or fading power. This model offers up to 75 minutes of average runtime on a single charge with a compatible 56-volt ARC lithium battery, giving you the freedom to finish the job without constant interruptions. The variable speed trigger allows precise airflow control from lighter sweeping to full power clearing, while the lock-on dial keeps output steady during extended sessions. The high-efficiency brushless motor reduces vibration and extends tool life, making operations smoother and more comfortable. The pros are exceptional airflow strength, impressive runtime, durable motor performance, and compatibility across the Ego battery platform. The cons are a higher investment compared to entry-level cordless blowers and a slightly heavier feel at full battery capacity. Compared with smaller lightweight electric models built for patios only, This unit handles larger yards and tougher debris more decisively. It suits homeowners who demand serious cordless performance without the fumes and maintenance of gas equipment. When the yard finally looks open and clean again, the effort feels worthwhile and controlled. So guys, this was the video about the best gasoline leaf blowers. All the links are given in the description. Do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.